Today's recipe: potato nest. Let's start.
Sour cream. 1 medium onion chopped. Baby potato 500 grams, peel and boil. Fresh green coriander chopped. Add 4 tablespoons sour cream. In the potato. Three tablespoons mayonnaise. Add onion chopped. Add 1 tablespoon fresh green coriander chopped. 1–2 teaspoons paprika powder. Pinch of salt. A half teaspoon chicken powder. Mix well. Add fresh green coriander chopped. Final look.
Five. Medium potato, peel and boil. 1 medium onion, chopped. 1 green chili, chopped. 2 teaspoons fresh green coriander, chopped. A half teaspoon chicken powder. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. 1 teaspoon dry coriander powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Mix well. Vermicelli 1 to packet. Three teaspoons plain flour. 3 tablespoons corn flour. 1 teaspoon black pepper. A half teaspoon salt. Add 2 teaspoons water. Perfect consistency. Coat with corn flour mixture. Second coat with vermicelli. Fry for both sides until light golden. Add creamy baby potatoes. Decorate mint leaves. Final look.